Okay, so let's say you have your project in KiCAD, and you have your schematic and everything, and you're trying to update the 3D model to it. So you have your footprint. If we go to our footprint editor, and this is just an example. I have a battery holder. If we look at the properties, go to footprint properties, you'll see that I put a 3D model. So let's say you have your model already set on your PCB, and you are trying to work in your PCB editor. You can just close this. We'll save it. Go to your PCB editor. It's going to take a little while. If we go over here, 3D viewer, my battery holder that I have, as you saw before, there's a 3D model on the PCB, but it's not showing up in the PCB editor 3D viewer. So to fix that, and also I have some switches that I also put 3D models for. To fix that, really simple. If we go to this, like let's say our battery pack, we want to load it, you just right click and then update footprint, and you'll see this window pop up. Make sure update / reset 3D models is checked, and you can update selected footprint, or better yet, to save some work, do update all footprints on the board, and make sure that's still checked, the reset 3D models. And if we do update, close, and let's see if this worked, 3D viewer, and there we go. Saved a lot of time rather than having to do one by one. We already have our 3D view, our 3D model, sorry, loaded to our footprint, but it wasn't showing up on our PCB editor. Well, now it is. Yeah, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Right, thank you.